This is not to condemn you, but to restore you back in line with what He had created you for. The world needs young people who have been restored by the love of Christ, who are ready to embrace their calling with passion and commitment. Inspire to Aspire is a product of such. If you had mentioned this to me 3 years ago, as I said, even when it was the mandate was shared or given to me with the help of the Holy Spirit, I said, no, it's not me. But the Holy Spirit said, start. I embraced the calling. Because I know I will be fulfilled. My purpose will be fulfilled. And there will be restoration. In Jesus' mighty name.